Surplus DIY is about to come on.
Oh, hey, how you doing, man? Yeah, just out here. Yeah, I make content. Yeah, I make videos, doing different stuff, teaching people stuff. You know what I mean? Showing people how to do stuff easier. So like for instance, like I got the tarp out there. And so people that want to trim their hedges, you know what I mean? It's like less messy, right? So you're just gonna move the tarp around. So yeah, stuff like that. I mean, I'm not that good, but I'm trying to do something. Yeah. I'm good. Thanks, man. Yeah.
So this is a simple system I'm using today. I've got the tarp wrapped around the bush to catch the clippings while I trim. Instead of trimming everything first and having one big cleanup at the end, I'm going to just clean up as I go. The plan is simple. Move the tarp from bush to bush, trim and shape each one, dump the clippings into these large bags, then move on to the next one. This is an 8-family apartment building, so there's a lot of bushes to work around. But for this video, I'm only going to do the first 3, but the method stays the same for the whole way around. For the shape, I'm going to start low, cleaning from the bottom edge, working up the sides, evening out the top, then rounding the corners so each bush looks clean and uniform. The goal is a cleaner property, better curb appeal, and less mess on the ground. With this simple method, it's not really that hard. And in fact, once you get the method down, it's actually pretty easy. Most homeowners, they'll have single family homes or maybe even a duplex. So just think about it. If you're hesitant to try to go outside and do your bushes, using this simple method makes it very, very easy. Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. I test real DIY fixes, tool tricks, and money-saving ideas to see if they actually work. Today, I'm trimming apartment hedges using a tarp cleanup trick to see if it makes the job cleaner, faster, and easier.